For those of you who didn't get a chance to get a unit at Emaar's first branded residences at Dubai Hills Estate, they do not need to worry because Emaar didn't stop there. They've launched another tower, Parkland Interiors by Vida. For those wondering, both Vida Residences and Parkland Interiors by Vida share the same high quality finishes and impressive lobbies. But in my opinion, Parkland Interiors by Vida is even bigger and better. So before I share more details about the project, for those who do not know, Vida Residences and Resort is a lifestyle boutique hotel brand of Emaar Hospitality. Dubai Hills Estate as a community has got a prime location in Dubai. But when you talk about the new project Parkland Interiors by Vida, it has a prime location inside Dubai Hills Estate. So this is the location of the towers on the Dubai Hills master plan. If we talk about the connectivity, this is very important. From this service road, it has got direct access to Khail Road. It is just walking distance from the Dubai Hills Park. It is a walking distance from the Dubai Hills Business Park and very close to Dubai Hills Mall. And it's not very far away from the Dubai Hills Golf Course. And the amenities, they are what really set Parkland apart. With a podium that spans nearly 4 acres, it's the largest dedicated amenities deck in Dubai Hills Estate. The Olympic-sized pool, indoor multi-purpose room, fitness center, tennis court, and expensive green spaces are just a few highlights. Plus, the beautifully designed massive gardens on the ground floor and the podium levels ensure that every corner feels like a getaway. And every tower has its own drop-off level, which will help in avoiding any congestion in future. So now the question is, why invest in Parkland? First of all, the pricing is very competitive, offering lower price per square foot, which is around 2,300 dirhams per square foot. If we compare it with the other Vida branded hotels in downtown Dubai Marina, the average price per square foot is around 3,300 dirhams per square foot. And I do not see any reason why it won't match the same level at the time of the completion. So which means it's an opportunity for the investors to make good capital appreciation. And one of the most important thing in this tower is the service charges are low, which means better return on investment. Dubai Hills Estate is already doing very well in short-term rentals as well. And branded residences like these are perfect for short-term rentals to make more returns. And one more thing, this time Emaar has made the payment plan more flexible. Instead of 90-10 now, it's 80-20, making it easier than ever to invest. With prices starting at 1.4 million, these apartments won't be in the market for long. So if you are interested in learning more about the project, the availability, the sizes, the prices, send me a message on WhatsApp or give me a call. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.